All right, folks, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Going to be taking a deep dive look into incorporating volume into the analysis, especially when we're getting significant economic news releases intraday. Now, this is the gold futures market. This is a market that I analyze live every day. The reason I choose to pick markets I trade, while this is applicable across all assets and time frames, is because there's credibility in actually interpreting price action when it's happening, rather than looking at it in hindsight. So, while some of you may not be futures traders, I do apologize, but I want you to just know that this can be done in real time, regardless of whatever it is you're trading. So take a look here at the 830 candle. You can see we have a WideBar ultra high radar on the volume here with super strong buying. We got a CPI report here that was quite favorable, at least to the market. And I basically said, hey, listen, if we cannot close above this candle, I would feel a little hesitant about trying to get long gold. And the reason I would feel hesitant is because I don't know if we just experienced a volume climax, right? Was this just a reactionary approach to the market, or was it, hey, this has some meaning to it and we believe that the market's going to continue higher? Now, closing above that wide bar would in fact trigger that thought process to believe that the market is going to go higher, and it did until the opening bell came around. So it was short term, but it was fairly calculated. We finally closed above it right here, and we had a pretty nice little 100 tick roughly run, so a little over 100 ticks, till we ran out of steam coming into the opening bell there at 9:30. You could see some aggressive selling volume came in and price started falling back. But the moral of the story is quite simple. Focus on the volume, right? If there's a strong presence of buyers, and there's going to be continued strong presence of buyers, those presence of buyers are going to be able to close above those wide bars. So it's super important, so that you don't suffer a volume climax, that you are able to take a calculated move. And that can be done by simply waiting for a close above a wide bar. And if you're willing to be patient, your odds of success of follow through are much, much better. And you can see right here at 8:45, you had to give it 15 minutes. We got a close above the high of that wide bar with continued buying support. And we went on to rally another $10+ or over 100 ticks, right? Incredible opportunity to just take advantage of continuation, but you just had to be patient. So this video is going to be short and sweet because that's all that it takes, right? You just have to be patient. This is something many, many traders struggle with. And I'm telling you from my own hurdles, right? It took me a long time to realize I trade better if I just wait for exactly what I want, rather than creating an opinion about what I believe could happen next, right? If I just wait for price to close above the wide bar with the presence of buyers, I know there's a good chance that we're going to continue to follow through. And that's exactly what happened. And again, guys, this was identified live in real time. This was not hindsight, okay? And then, as I mentioned, we had selling come in into the opening bell. Later today, we are expecting FOMC meeting minutes, Fed funds rates, and speeches at 2 p.m. and 2:30. So I do know that the market's going to be tough to navigate between now and then, and that's okay. But being able to navigate major economic news releases at 8:30 in the morning, just simply being patient for 15 minutes, confirmed that price had a chance to go higher. We closed above the high of that wide bar, and we proceeded to do exactly that. So, again, short and sweet because that's all it has to be, right? Identify the volume, identify who's in control, when, where, and why, create a theory around it, employ some very simple trade plans, and take profits, right? Pay yourself, protect yourself, okay? It's really, that's what it all comes down to, guys. And you just have to focus on the simplicity rather than the overcomplication. All right, so if you want to learn more about volume and price action, gain access to our Hawkeye indicators and the Mastery Library, where you are going to learn more about the understanding of the interaction between volume and price action. I'm going to drop some links below this video. I simply ask you click on them, consume the content. Feel free to reach out to myself and my Hawkeye concierge team. We will answer any questions you have, help you in any way that we're able to, apply this technology and the mindset to stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, whether you're day trading, swing trading, or position trading. And these populate on TradingView, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader. All right, so this is applicable to each and every retail trader out there. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Have a beautiful day and stay well.